Good morning, everyone. It is Thanksgiving morning. Kind of a rainy, overcast day, but it's not terribly cold or uncomfortable. And pretty much I've shown everyone the little tour of the camper. And now this is a truck it's sitting on, which is an old 1992 Dodge 250. This is the old body style, and it's before they added the extra zero on them. This is an old DOT truck, an old state truck, and she's got a 360 LA. Here you can see the old yellow from when it was a state truck. And she got a 360 LA engine in it, and it's throttle body, not a carburetor. And for some reason, a lot of people out here that kind of like the cold starts. So this thing's been sitting for quite a few hours, well over 24. And so let's crank her up and see what she sounds like. And this is my daily driver. She's not a bad old truck. Definitely a tough old truck. There we go. And it needs an oil sending unit, but it does have plenty of oil pressure. But anyway, that's Bonnie on the wife's bike. She runs pretty good. It's got a little under 250,000 miles on it, and she still runs good. And yeah, there's the camper getting all packed up, getting ready to go. So anyway, you all have yourselves a good day. We'll take one more look at the engine and watch everything spin around. I don't know, some people seem to like that. No air conditioner in the truck, but like I said, she runs good, she runs strong. I do have another engine for this truck. It is a 318 or a 5.2 liter Magnum that next year I probably will drop in this truck. And this 360 I'm going to be pulling out and putting a 4-inch stroker kit in it. And hopefully I'll have something more than just a phone to film with. We'll take you through the process, and what I'd like to do is show everyone basically the difference between the Magnums and the LA engines, because it took me a lot of research to find out what the actual differences were between those engines. And it turns out that the Magnum has a lot of different upgrades to it than the LA, but basically you can turn an LA engine into a Magnum, and you can actually go vice versa if you want to. Turning a Magnum back into a LA engine takes a little bit more machining, and that's due to the head configuration and the oiling. But anyway, y'all have a good Thanksgiving. We'll see you later.